Welcome to Skillz. Learn creative skills to achieve your personal and professional goals. If you've been curious about coding, this is your sign to start. Coding 101. Python for beginners is the doorway to mastering Python, even if you've never written a line of code before. Dive into Python programming with ease, guided by an expert who makes coding as easy as pie. The course kicks off with the basics, setting up your environment, understanding Python syntax, and crafting your first script. You'll then navigate through variables, loops, functions, and control structures, turning complex concepts into simple, executable code. Next, tackle real-world data with Python. Lists, tuples, dictionaries. Sounds overwhelming? Not anymore. You'll handle them all and even automate tasks to make your life easier. And for the hands-on learners, exciting projects like building a password strength checker await to consolidate your skills. As you advance, the course introduces object-oriented programming and best practices, ensuring you're industry ready. By the end, you won't just know Python. You'll think like a programmer, ready to solve problems and automate the world around you. So, why wait? Start your Python journey on Skillshare today and unlock a universe of possibilities. Click on link in description below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.